Hello everyone, this is Ben, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on my thoughts on Bitcoin. And I'm going to try this video thing, see if you guys like it. If so, I can do some more. But like I said in earlier tweets, I think we have three major areas here on Bitcoin that we have to watch. And I think the most important is this 55K area here, and then we have a 52K area below. And then of course we have our all-time high up here around 58. And here are some reasons why. There's a lot of action around these areas, and I just want to point out a few. 52 obviously down here, all kinds of action before we made our move up, and hit 55 here. We're able to push through it, came back down, retested, came up, came back down again, blew through it, but corrected very nicely, and this correction actually led up to our all-time high up here at 58.3, whatever that is, which caused a pretty big sell-off here once we hit that all-time high. It is good to see that it came and touched 55 here and was able to bounce, so creating more support, but then fell through. Guess where it fell to? Exactly to our 52K number. Guess where it bounced to? Right back to exactly to our 55K number. And then 52 could not hold, and then we began this descent down where we were putting in these kind of bear flag little patterns here. And I think at this point everyone was really expecting us to come down and retest this area here around the 42 to 38 area, where there's so many big institutional buy orders and the books are heavy there, retail money there as well. But this move didn't make it down there. Stopped, began its way back up, and guess where it went to? 52K exactly. Hit it, could not, broke through, but fell right back down, and then found support back on this diagonal here. Put in this nice little kind of W pattern here, which we played and got a good bounce off of. Couldn't break through 52 here, but tried again, got through, and then got us back up to kind of where we've been in the last few days. And this is what I want to talk about now, is this 55K area here. And you can see the times that we try to come up to it, can't break through, we fall, we try again, we can't break through, we fall. This time we break through, but we fall pretty quickly right after. It's pretty unsuccessful, kind of almost a tweezer top here, and then falling down, not all the way to 52 though, which is notable. Catching this same support line, making another trek up to 55, almost the same kind of setup here. Falls right back through, can't hold it, then it breaks through with a pretty nice candle here, and everyone's thinking all-time high, but guess what? Doesn't happen. We fall back down to our favorite spot again, 55K. It holds for as long as it can, but then it falls back through, finds this same diagonal support here, and then puts in a very nice corrective move here, actually, with some nice candles. Breaking through these longer yellow trend lines that I've been drawing for over a month, and everyone again is thinking all-time high, but guess what? We don't have enough steam, so we fall back down, and guess where we go to? Our favorite number again, 55K. And this is the touch that I want to talk about, because I think this is significant here. All these other times where we break through 55, we almost immediately, or a few hours later, we fell right back down through. It couldn't hold 55. It couldn't hold 55. Couldn't hold 55. 4 or 5 times over the past 3 days or so. This time it actually went right to it, to the penny, and it bounced nicely. This is a nice corrective move up, and has started to put in a bit of a bull flag here on the hourly. We'll see if this support line can hold. It's kind of testing the 9 EMA now. So overall, I wouldn't be surprised if we put in an all-time high here and this kind of holds and we break up. But here's the thing: I don't think there's going to be any kind of fireworks or rocket ships with this. I think this is still just retail money trying to make this new all-time high. People want to see it. People want to say it. They want to tweet about it. I think Bitcoin still needs this. I think it needs these giant orders down here. I don't think retail has deep enough pockets to make this thing move and do something crazy. with a big all-time high. I mean, maybe up to like 60 if we get lucky, I think. And then 60,000 is a very psychological number where we'll probably see a lot of profit taking, and who knows what happens, after that. Like I said, institutional money, they want in. We've seen the news stories. We know that they're in. But they want to buy in where their buddies bought in. They don't want to pay this premium. And I think without those giant big orders, I just don't know if Bitcoin has the oomph or the push to do something spectacular after breaking this all-time high, other than just maybe up to 60s or low 60s, and before coming back down and doing what I think it really needs to do, which is fill some big orders down in this area. So that's my 2 cents. Don't take it as financial advice, please. These are just my ideas. But if you like me doing videos, let me know, and I can do some more on some other coins. Let's see what happens here with Bitcoin. Peace out.